Welcome to another video from Mr. Long's Teacher Tips. And in this video, we're going to look at Google Images and how we can search for an image. Now, a lot of the times when you go to Google Images, we tend to type in keywords of what we are looking for. But what happens if you've actually got an image, maybe from a student's project, or maybe you found this image and you want to find out more information about that image or where that image came from? Maybe you want to check up on your students to see if where they got that image is from the right website. So if you want to, you can, when you go to Google Images, before you type in anything, you'll see this little camera icon. You can actually search by an image. And when you click on this, you'll get an option to either paste in the web address of the image, if you've got that. But most of the time, you've actually got it on your computer, so you can actually upload an image. So I'm going to go and choose the image, which I've got saved on my computer. It's on my desktop. I'm going to go all the way down here. Who is this? I don't know who this person is. So I'm going to go search for this particular person. So uploading the image of a person. And it's going to try identify that image and see what other websites have got information about this image or where this image has been used. And from this, I can see, this person is Aaron Rodgers, and these are NFL star. I can find information, the latest news about the person. There's some similar images that are similar to that, and you can find all this information. And this is all by searching on a particular image. So this is a little trick that you can use whenever you are looking for, if you've got the image, and you want to find out where that image was used or what websites have that image, so that way you can search on an image. You don't have to always search on a keyword. So hopefully this is a quick tip that will help you. For more teacher tips from Mr. Long, go to our YouTube channel, click on that subscribe button, leave a like, leave a comment, and tell us what tech tips we can help you with. And remember, don't do it the long way, do it the Mr. Long way.